Hey everyone, it's Amber here and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to play One by U2. Now the song has really grown on me recently. It's got a beautiful guitar part. We have a handful of really simple chords and one strumming pattern. So it's going to be a short and sweet guitar lesson today with a really fun song. So have your guitar ready and let's get going. So let's check out the chords we need for the verse. We have an A minor chord. Next up, we have a D sus2. For this, you can play a regular D major chord and you're just going to take your middle finger off the strings. And it gives us that really beautiful open sound, the D sus2. The next chord we need is an F major 7 chord. So this is like an easy F. And it sounds really good in the song. And then the next chord we need is a G6. Now generally we play a G6 like a regular G major with our ring finger lifted up off the strings. Okay, but for this song I have something else that we can use instead. So if we go back to that F major 7 chord, all we're going to do is take this exact same shape and we're going to slide it up by 2 frets. 1, 2. So now you're playing in the 3rd, 4th, and 5th frets. And that's going to give us a G6 sound. It's going to be an open chord for our G6. Okay, so we're going to do 4 down strums on each chord. Let's just do that to get into the swing of the song before we start introducing any strumming pattern. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 on all the chords. So A minor's first. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. D sus 2, 2, 3, 4. F major 7, 2. Slide up to G6. A minor again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. D sus 2, 2, 3, 4. F major 7, 2, 3. Slide up to G6. 3, 4. Okay, so really spend some time getting those chords under your fingers because our strumming pattern is coming up next and it's a bit of a doozy. So what we have is a syncopated pattern here. So we have down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm going to count this. 1, 2, a 3 and E and a. 1, 2, a 3 E and E and a. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I personally feel that saying the downs and ups are much easier. I think when we start counting and you sing the E's and the ands and all that stuff, it can get a little bit tongue twistery. So I would just suggest using the downs and ups and really just getting a feel for the pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and each chord is going to get 1 round of that pattern. So A minor, let's give that a try. So we have down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And we change to our D sus2. F major 7. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Slide up to the G6. Okay, now I'm going to play it again for you without any pauses. Okay, and we can add in a little bit of singing as well so that you have some context. 2. Is it getting better? Or do you feel the same? Will it make it easier on you now? You've got someone to blame. Now, I don't know if you noticed there, but there were 1 or 2 points when I was singing that I changed the pattern ever so slightly. And I didn't do it on purpose. I actually just did it out of feel. Now, I do believe that this song will be played best if you play it from a place of feeling it instead of robotically or mechanically, just spitting out that strumming pattern for every single chord. It's kind of meant to help you as a foundation. So that's the foundation of this song. The rhythm is built 90% on that strumming pattern. But if it comes to a point where you're just improvising and an up strum gets left out, or you add in an extra down strum, it's not going to make or break the song. It's actually going to show musicality on your part. So take that with a pinch of salt. My playthrough was just a demonstration where I am showing you the strumming pattern, but also how you can incorporate your own feel as well into the song. So the next part we're going to be looking at is our chorus, and we have the chords up on the screen for you. We have our C major chord, we have an A minor chord, our F major 7, and then back to our C chord. Okay, so let's do that again with our 4 down strums just to get into the swing of the song. C and C, A minor, F major 7, 2, 3, 4, and C. One more time, and C again. 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F major 7, and to the C. 2, 3, 4. And the good news here is that we use the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's give that a try from the C. Ready, and down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, A minor, F major 7, C, repeats, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, A minor, F, and C. Right, so we've zoomed in to learn that intro part as well as the instrumental section. Now, this is a simplified version for open chords that we are playing, but it's going to give us the same essence of the song. So it's going to sound like this, and then we'll break it down. So as you can see, we were using all the same chords from the verse. We have our A minor, our D sus2, F major 7, and our G6. All we're doing is we're adding some embellishments. We're adding a finger, taking it away, okay? Just to get that similar sound from the song. So if we go to the A minor chord, we're going to be adding and taking away our ring finger. Okay, so just get used to lifting it up and putting it back down. That would be my first piece of advice, would just be get used to that motion, okay? So you can do that on a few down strums, okay? Don't worry about a strumming pattern just yet. Just lifting it up and down. Okay, now remember the strumming pattern that we learned in the song? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You're going to take the middle 4 strums, that section that is up, down, up, down. And that's where the embellishment is going to be taking place. Okay, so we have A minor. We're going to first strum those 2 down strums on beats 1 and 2. 1, 2. Then comes the section where we do the embellishment. Now when there is an up strum, you're going to lift your finger up. And when there's a down strum, you're going to put your finger down. It's quite nice and easy. You can literally think of it as an up strum means lift it up, a down strum means put it down. Okay, so you're going to do an up, down, down. Okay, so from the start of the pattern, again, 2 down strums, followed by the embellishment. Down, down, up, down. The rest of the pattern, the up, down, up, you just play a regular A minor. You don't have to do anything differently there. So it's just those middle 4 strums where we're adding and taking away our finger. Okay, so again, up, down, up, down. Okay. In reality, it happens really quickly. Okay, but you have to practice it slowly before you can speed it up. So that's our A minor. When we get to the D sus2 chord, the finger we're going to be taking away is our first finger. So just get used to that feeling. And it's going to happen in the exact same place. So we're going to do 2 normal down strums. And then we're going to take it away for an up, put it back for the down, away for an up, and back for the down. Okay, so the whole thing, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Right, when we get to the F major 7, it's the same thing, but we're just going to be taking our middle finger off. So get used to that. All right, so we have 2 regular down strums followed by up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So far, the A minor, D sus2, and F major 7 have the same structure, and you're lifting up and taking away at the same time in that strumming pattern. Okay, now when we get to the G6, this is where things are going to change ever so slightly. Instead of doing 2 down strums on the G6, you're going to do 1 down strum, and then on the second down strum, you have to add your pinky into that 5th fret on the G string. Okay. Because the pinky is the finger you're going to be taking off and putting on. So you need to have it down for the up, down, for that middle section of the strumming pattern, right? So we're going to have down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. And you can keep it down for the rest of the pattern. Okay, so for the whole thing from the G6, down, down, up, down, up, down, keep it there. That's a bit more up to speed. Okay, so put the whole thing together. You might need a bit more time to work on this, but just for context and to give you something to work towards, this is how it's going to sound. Okay, so if you are still with me and enjoying this lesson, that's awesome. I would love to encourage you to go and check out my guitar courses. They are all linked below. So if you're looking for more guidance, more structure, and of course a cool coach, which would be me in my courses inside the Stellar Academy, would be an absolutely great fit for you. So what we're going to be doing next is a mini playthrough of the main sections that we've learned today, which are the intro, the instrumental sections, the verse, and the chorus. So here we go. Get ready on that A minor, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it getting better? Or do you feel the same? Will it make it easier on you now? You've get to share it. Leaves you, baby, if you don't care for it. Did I disappoint you? Or leave a bad taste in your mouth? You act like you never had love, and you want me to go without. Well, it's too late tonight to drag the past out into the light. We're one, but we're not the same. We get to carry each other, carry each other one. So there you have it, everyone. That is how you play One by U2 on the guitar. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this lesson a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this lesson, then I know you're gonna love the lesson being suggested on the screen, so go check it out. And I can't wait to see you in another tutorial very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.